everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang latest performance ng The Divas of the Kingdom together with the newly added member, I think if I'm not mistaken, which is Anaya Ambi. So ang titingnan ata nila, ang kakantahin nila ata nila to yung mga, I don't know kung tama yung nakita ko sa Twitter, basta yung mga parang mga pangmalakasan talaga na winning piece. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Excited ako. Sobrang excited. Sobra. Debut ni Naya.
Ngayon, handa na akong makipagsabayan sa mga iniidolo kong divas of the Queendom.
Yes, go, go, go. Show us what your mama gave ya. Tia Asli.
Stephanie and Rita Daniela. Bibigyan nila ng sariling tatak ang mga kantang ibinida ng mga world-class Pinoy singers na lumaban sa iba't ibang singing competitions from all over the world.
Go, go, go.
Boses na pinagmamalaki, mga biriterang pambato.
Mga biriterang pambato.
Inyong paborito.
Sino nagsasalita?
Divas of
Ito
the
na,
Queendom.
the Divas of the Kingdom. For today's video, excited ako. Ang lamig dito ngayon, guys. Ay, tatay. Ay, parang yung dati nilang stage. Ay, hindi pala. Ay, bongga. Bongga, I love it. Ganda ng boses niya, buong buo. Wow. Ang feelings talaga niya pag kumakanta siya. The emotion. Ay. Parang siyang si Rachel Ango. Wow. 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 Grabe. Ang ganda ng boses niya pandagdag sa Queendom. Ay, naku, iisa pa siya. Ay, wow. Okay. Mami Rita. Mami Rita for today's video. Ano yung kanta niya? Hindi ako familiar sa kanta niya. Very regal talaga siya kumanta, no? Regal na regal talaga siya, be. Wow. Rita Daniela, everyone. My God. Nananayo ang balahibo ko ngayon. Nananayo ang balahibo ko kay Rita. Promise. Dear, hindi ko alam kung malamig lang ba talaga o nananayo talaga balahibo ko sa kanya. Ay, ang ganda ng kantang to.
So I face the final curtain, my friend. I'll safely, I'll state my case of which
Jessica Villarubin.
I live a life that's full. I travel each and every highway,
In fairness, ang ganda na din
more than
si Jessica mag-deliver. Best in storytelling din siya.
what is a man? What has he got? If not
Wow! Wow!
he has not to say the things he truly feels, and I
Wow!
the record shows
Wow! Ay, grabe! Grabe siya! Ay! Hoy! Jessica! New Year na New Year, nagpapasabog ka for today's video! Grabe! Si Marian ata andito na. Ay! Ang ganda nito!
That's how we'll always be, inseparable. Just you and me. It's so wonderful to know you'll always be around.
Okay. Best in emotion to go. Go!
To a tree,
Ang ganda!
what's a melody of love?
Oh, wow! Worth it ang pahinga.
No words that can
Ang ganda-ganda ng boses niya ngayon.
cause we're just
Worth it ang pahinga ni Marian, dear.
inseparable.
Inseparable.
It's how we'll always be, inseparable. For the rest of our years, it's so wonderful to know you'll always be.
Ay! Ay! Dear, pasabog ngayong taon for today's video. Oh my God! Queen Dam, ano na? Diyos ko, Zay, hindi ko kaya. My shattered dreams.
Shattered dreams and broken heart. A mess
Enough this hell.
I saw you holding hands, standing close to someone else. Now I sit all alone, wishing all my
Wow.
pain was gone.
Linis noon. From Thea Asley, everyone.
Nothing for me to do
But one less cry, for a leaving all behind. Wow.
gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living a lie. I know I gotta be strong. 'Cause around me life goes on and on. And on.
Wow. Oh. Ay, oh. Ang ganda lang kasi hindi niya pinilit. Uy, ano, parang Julian yung atake. Parang Julian ang atake for today's video. Agree ba kayo? Parang Julian? Please comment down below kung agree kayo. Sino to? Wala pa si Han. Uy! Bumalik na siya? Bumalik na siya sa kingdom? Or baka wala si Julie? Okay. Mm-hmm. In fairness, mahaba-haba ngayon yung kanilang kanilang queendom. I love that. Ay, wow. Wow. Amazing. Sakit. Ay, grabe. Ay, ang galing ni Zephanie. Wow. 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 Ang galing. Ang galing. Thea and Stephanie and Jessica. Hana? Ay! Tapos ang laban kay Hana Priscillas, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tapos ang laban kay Hana Priscillas for today's video. Teka lang, ang lamig. Oh my God! Ooh! Wow! Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh! Ooh! Ah, puta. Sorry. Grabe. Make me... Dear, wala tayong magagawa kung ganun sila. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Tamanan na lang natin, Diyos ko. Diyos ko, standing ovation, everyone. Ay, wala talaga si Julie. Wala din si Mami Hazel. Jessica Villarubin is nailing it. Jessica Villarubin is nailing it. Eh! Wow, grabe si Mami Rita. Grabe. There you go guys. Ito sa for today's video. Grabe, concert feels. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kanilang atake for today's video. Gandang-ganda ako. Ay, grabe. Zephanie, Hannah, and Marian for today's video. And Jessica. Grabe. This is KGV Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Na-stress ako. Galing.